Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a baseline so you know what to change. Run a monitoring tool and record idle and load temps in degrees C every 10 to 30 seconds. This reveals thermal spikes. Once done, update the GPU driver and firmware, then close unnecessary programs to reduce load immediately. Next, set a conservative fan curve or enable the vendor's performance profile for testing. This increases airflow now so you can see real temperature response and quantify gains. You now focus on sustained cooling. Optimize case airflow by setting front fans to intake and rear or top to exhaust, aiming for slight positive pressure of about 5 to 10% to keep dust out. Then clean dust from the heatsink and fan blades. If the GPU is over 2 years old, replace the thermal paste to restore conduction. Finally, consider an aftermarket cooler, larger fan, or reduce the GPU power limit by 5 to 15% to lower heat output while keeping performance acceptable. You finish by tuning. Run a stress test while logging temperatures and tweak the fan curve and power limit iteratively until temps stabilize under your target. Make sure ambient conditions help, lower room temperature, add unobstructed intake airflow, and avoid blocking vents. Once satisfied, save profiles in your GPU utility. If temperatures remain high despite these steps, troubleshoot one key issue. Inspect for a defective fan or improperly seated cooler. Reseat the cooler and check fan power connectors, because mechanical faults often cause
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.